In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter records in Airtable. Quick tutorial 2026. First, open your browser and head to airtable.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account. Keep this part quick. Enter your credentials, and if you're prompted for any security verification, complete that so you can proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. Here, you'll see your recent work and a list of bases. You can open any existing base that you want to work with, or, if you prefer, create a new one from scratch. Either choice will bring you into a base where you can filter records. Inside the base, you'll be looking at a view, most commonly the grid view. At the top of the view, you'll find controls like Customize, Filter and Sort. For this tutorial, click Filter. This opens the filtering panel for the current view. Next, click Add Condition. Airtable will prompt you to define a rule using a simple structure. Choose a field, choose a comparison operator, and choose a value. Think of it as where field is value. For example, if you pick a text or single select field, you might use is not, or contains. If it's a number field, options like is greater than or is less than appear. For checkboxes, you'll see options like is checked or is unchecked. Date fields offer choices such as is on, is before, or is within. Choose the field and the matching option that fits what you need to see. As soon as you set the condition, Airtable automatically applies the filter to the entire view. You'll notice that the visible records update immediately to match the rule you defined. Nothing is deleted. Filters only change what's shown, not the underlying data. If you don't see any records after applying a filter, it simply means no rows match the condition you set. Adjust the field, operator, or value to broaden the results. Keep in mind that filtering is view specific. The filter affects only the current view you're looking at, which is helpful when different teammates need different slices of the same table. If you want to focus your results even more, you can refine your single condition by selecting the most precise operator for the field type you're using. That's all you need to filter records in Airtable. Go to your base, open the view, click Filter and add a condition using the field, operator and value that best describe what you want to see. With that, you can quickly surface the exact records you need and keep your workspace clean and focused.